5.2 meters long, 425 horsepower, and a 28.6-inch monolith display. The all-new 2026 Nissan Patrol just rewrote the rules for full-size luxury SUVs. After over a decade, Nissan finally replaced the iconic Y62 Patrol with the 7th generation Y63 model, and it's a complete transformation. This is Nissan's flagship SUV, longer than an Audi Q8, more powerful than the outgoing V8, and packed with technology that makes the Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series feel outdated. With a hand-assembled twin-turbo V6, adaptive air suspension, 8-seat luxury, and genuine off-road capability, the all-new Patrol proves Japanese engineering still leads the segment. When it comes to design, the new Patrol is bold, boxy, and unapologetically muscular. At 5.2 meters long, it's massive with a commanding road presence. The front fascia features Nissan's V-Motion grille, flanked by striking C-shaped LED headlights with LED daytime running lights. The design is cleaner and more modern than the Y62, with sharp body lines and a boxier profile. The rear gets wraparound LED taillights with a fresh pattern. The Pro 4X trim adds rugged off-road styling with black accents, while the NISMO variant gets aggressive aerodynamics, 22-inch forged raised wheels, and motorsport-inspired red accents. Step inside and you'll immediately understand why the wait was worth it. The cabin is a complete departure from the Y62, with a modern, luxurious interior that rivals Land Rover and Mercedes. The centerpiece is the 28.6-inch Monolith Display, dual 14.3-inch screens seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. Materials are premium throughout, with soft-touch leather, wood-grain accents, aluminum trim, and quilted Japanese-inspired stitching on the zero-gravity seats. The cabin seats 8 across 3 rows with generous space. Second-row captain's chairs are available, and rear passengers get their own 12.8-inch displays, plus a 12-speaker Klipsch premium audio system. You also get a panoramic sunroof, biometric cooling, air ionization, 4-zone climate control, and acoustic glass for exceptional quietness. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The all-new Patrol ditches the old 5.6-liter V8 for 2 new V6 engines. The base engine is a 3.8-liter naturally aspirated V6, making 312 horsepower. The engine you want is the 3.5-liter VR35 DDTT twin-turbo V6, hand-assembled by specialists at Nissan's Iwaki plant in Japan. This engine produces 425 horsepower and 700 newton-meters of torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic and standard all-wheel drive. It's smooth, responsive, and significantly more refined than the old V8. 0 to 100 happens in around 6.6 seconds, which is impressive for a 2.7-ton SUV. The NISMO variant takes it further with 495 horsepower in sport mode. Towing capacity maxes out at 3,500 kilograms, and the Patrol handles serious off-road terrain thanks to body-on-frame construction, low-range gearing, rear differential lock, and adaptive air suspension. Terrain modes include sand, mud, rock, and snow. On the tech and safety front, Nissan equipped the Patrol with ProPilot Advanced Driver Assistance, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic emergency braking, blind spot intervention, and lane keeping assist. You also get a 360-degree surround view monitor with 3D view, parking sensors, and remote 360 view through the My Nissan app. The Patrol rides on a new platform with independent suspension, adaptive air springs on higher trims, and improved handling dynamics. It's still a body-on-frame SUV built for durability, but it drives more like a luxury car. So here's the bottom line. The all-new 2026 Nissan Patrol is longer, more powerful, more luxurious, and more technologically advanced than ever before. It delivers 8-seat comfort, a hand-assembled twin-turbo V6, dual 14.3-inch displays, Klipsch audio, adaptive air suspension, and genuine off-road capability. The design is bold and modern, the interior rivals European luxury, and the tech is cutting edge. If you want sharper on-road handling, the Land Cruiser 300 series might suit you better. But if you prioritize space, power, luxury, and long-term durability, the Patrol is borderline unbeatable. It's a legend reborn. So here's the question: does a hand-assembled twin-turbo V6 with 425 horsepower and 28.6 inches of screens make you rethink what a full-size SUV should be? Let me know in the comments.